today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Keep as a tool for backing up your notes. Google Keep is a fantastic application for organizing your thoughts, keeping track of your to-do lists, and ensuring that you never miss an idea no matter where you are. It's simple, effective, and integrated seamlessly with other Google services, making it a great tool for both personal and professional use. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google Keep website. You can do this simply by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to www.google.com/keep. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. You'll see the Google Keep homepage, which is where all your notes will be displayed. This screen is your central hub for organizing all of your ideas, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now let's get into the process of backing up your notes. If you have a particular note in mind that you'd like to back up, start by finding it on your home page. Once you've identified the note, hover your mouse over it, and you'll notice that a menu will pop up with a few different options. Look for the icon that looks like 3 vertically stacked dots. This is typically known as the More Options or Overflow menu. Go ahead and click on that. A list of actions will appear in a small menu. Here, you want to select Copy to Google Docs. By choosing this option, you're essentially creating a backup of your note by transferring it to a Google document. The great thing about Google Docs is it offers more formatting options and easier accessibility across all your devices, just like Keep, but with more flexibility. Once you've clicked on Copy to Google Docs, a new document containing your note will be generated automatically. You can access this document by heading over to Google Docs, which is available at docs.google.com, or through your Google Drive. This step ensures that your notes are safe and sound, backed up separately from Google Keep. You can continue this process with other notes you wish to back up, securing all your important information. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully backed up your note from Google Keep to Google Docs, ensuring it's secure and easily accessible. By following these simple steps, you can maintain peace of mind knowing that your valuable notes are not only stored in Google Keep, but also safely duplicated in Google Docs. Make sure to explore the functionalities of both Keep and Docs to fully optimize your workflow and productivity. Save yourself from the future chaos of misplacement or accidental deletions by regularly backing up your essential notes this way.